Hello everyone, my name is YUCa. I'm a home cooking chef and recipe creator. I'm also a mother of 2 children and 2 toy poodles. I hope you enjoy my previous vlog, the MUJI Hotel in Ginza, Volume 1. In this video, I'll introduce what's more in MUJI Hotel Ginza and also MUJI Ginza, the global flagship store which connects to the MUJI Hotel. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. The morning of the second day began with eating breakfast at the hotel. There is a corona problem now, so it was not a buffet style, but a Japanese style breakfast. The menu was similar to Ichiju Sansai, which means 1 soup and 3 small plates, except rice. And this is what Japanese people normally eat at breakfast. Itadakimasu. In Japan, we say itadakimasu just before eating. And this shows the gratitude for the animals and plants, which gave their precious lives for their meal, and also a farmer, chefs, and person who cooked the meal. I'll show you some of the side dishes, and this is a kombu no tsukudani, shredded kelp, cooked in a sweet soy sauce. And this tsukudani goes well with rice. And this is a pickled daikon leaves. This was salty, and I could enjoy the natural flavor from the leaves. I always feel happy and peaceful when I eat the Japanese style breakfast. I don't prepare that many, but we eat Japanese style breakfast almost every day. This is pickled daikon radish. It was simple and delicious. My son, he likes to use spoons. Hopefully, he will use chopsticks soon. And this is a grilled sablo fish, marinated with miso paste. I love the flavor of white miso. Do you like grilled fish dish? Let me know. This dish is called ohitashi. Ohitashi is a boiled vegetables and sometimes tofu. I have a recipe, so please check it out. I'm sure many of you know this. Japanese omelette. And this has a beautiful color and a perfect square shape. My son had it already, but he likes this Japanese omelette with soy sauce on. Maybe the Japanese omelette was too sweet for him. I have a Japanese omelette recipe, so please check it out. It might be my tradition, but I start and finish with eating miso soup. I just love this routine, and it seems this table is usually used at a buffet, since this restaurant is well recommended, so I want to try a buffet next time. There was a bathroom, so clean and bright. This was exactly the world view of MUJI. So near the lobby, there is a special small space that you can have a cigarette. And also you can buy the food and drinks. I'm interested in this area. Vending machine. When you get hungry at night, you can come here and you can buy the butter chicken and rice. Or maybe tomato risotto or rice porridge. And if you want more snacks with beer or alcohol, I recommend to buy a mixed nuts and also pretzel maybe after breakfast. You want to try something sweet with coffee, I recommend strawberry with chocolate. And what is amazing this vending machine is you can buy the socks. Since I had trouble wearing socks, so I decided to buy the thick and a little bit long socks. I was so happy to buy the socks from vending machine. Then I found my favorite snack. Guess what? The answer is soft dried plum without seeds. It has a little bit sweet flavor. If you like pickles or sour flavor, I recommend this product. Now it's time to discover MUJI Ginza, the global flagship store. MUJI Ginza, which has the largest store area in the world, consists of 7 floors, and you can experience the world view of MUJI brand. There is a bakery on the first floor that is open from 7:30, and with the brand's first attempt, there is a marché next to the bakery. I found a beautiful edible flower, so I baked the cookies with using them. I put the photo on my private Instagram account. The cookies were delicious, and my family loves salad. So we got the baby leaves. And we could find kale. It's hard to find at the local supermarket, so I was so happy. There are individually wrapped cotton candy, chocolates, mixed nuts, dried fruits, liquor snacks, and low sugar cookies. So I was lost. Those are fruit jellies. And those are the daily lunchbox provided by MUJI for the first time. At the food stand, they sell fruit juice and soft serve ice cream. I was surprised to see their tea blending service. There are 32 types of tea, and it seems that you can make your own original branded tea simply by selecting the drink scene and your favorite scent. This service is only in Ginza store. And dear curry lovers, this is for you. Retort curry is now popular in Japan due to the increase in the number of single-income households and dual-income households. And it is said that MUJI may be the driving force behind them. Okay, so let's try the MUJI's curry. The number 3 is here. Keema curry. Okay, let's put in a hot water and we have to wait 5 minutes. Among all of the MUJI's curry roux, number 3 was keema curry. I'm so excited to try. I prepare rice and boiled eggs. Have you ever tried Japanese curry? I remember many of my cooking class guests were addicted to Japanese curry rice. It seems it tastes a little bit different from other curries. If you're interested in, please check my recipe video and please recreate. Let's boil another one. So number 2, ta-da! Green curry. Okay, let's taste later. Okay, let's start opening. Ooh, smells good. Oh, smells good. Ooh, so hot. Be careful. Wow. Okay, let's try tasting. Keema curry. The ground chicken has a good texture. At home, I usually don't make keema curry somehow. Maybe it's easy to eat, good for the children because the chicken is already chopped into small pieces. So I'll make next time. It's a little bit spicy. I can taste the natural and the sweet flavor from onion. I'm sure they stir fry a long time until the onion becomes brown color. The ranking number 1. I'm sure you already know this, but ta-da! Butter chicken. Butter chicken is always very popular and famous, so I really understand the result. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. 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 I put too much. You have to shuffle and you have to balance. Otherwise, only soup will be coming out. I can see the ingredients from here, but I'm sure there's some. Green curry. Wow. Spicy. It's like a soup curry rather than normal starchy curry. So they have a coconut milk chicken, big chunk chicken in a green curry. I like coconut milk. In Japan, we don't use coconut milk for our dishes. So I think that's one of the reasons this green curry is famous among Japanese people. People love new food or imported food. I should prepare jasmine rice. Boiled egg also good with coconut sauce. Okay, the last one. Okay, let's try butter chicken, the number 1. So let's taste the number 1 curry of MUJI. The sweet. I think there's tomato inside. Tomato, yes, tomato paste. Yeah, this butter chicken has more tomato flavor compared to the one that I usually eat from local curry shop. So I think children can eat this curry. Maybe that's the reason why it's so popular. Please tell me how you think. And normally in Japan we use beef for curry rice. So in my recipe video, Japanese curry, I use beef, a block beef in the recipe. So if you're interested in that recipe, please try it out. I filmed the video many years ago, so I'm thinking to retake that recipe video. And if you think it's a good idea, please let me know. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. I hope you enjoy the MUJI's curry review. Okay, now let's continue discovering MUJI store in Ginza. Here are the retort pasta sauce and frozen food. People love Italian food too. You see many Italian restaurants in town. I come to the 4th floor because there's a kitchenware and kids clothes. On the 5th floor there's a furniture, and the 3rd floor there's a health and beauty product and stationaries. 2nd floor it's a clothes. MUJI Books has 5,000 books that have been loved for a long time, and at the back of the corner there's a rest space where you can have a coffee break and recharge your smartphone. The design studio offers embroidery service. You can add one-point embroidery such as marks, letters, and creatures to clothing purchased at the Ginza store. In addition to the mark limited to the Ginza store, you can also select 8 embroidery threads with deep ties to Ginza, such as purple color from the kabuki. Suchan is excited. There was a spacious area, and also at the back of the corner, there was a space where you can read books to your children. I love the kids' clothes of MUJI. I have some of them. In the baby care room, there is a space that you can change diapers for your baby, and also a private room where you can nurse and have foods to your infants. As you see, the rooms are very clean and very calm. And by the way, I borrowed the stroller from the MUJI. And finally, my favorite corner. Yes, it's a kitchen gadgets. I'm sure you like kitchen gadgets too. I like MUJI. The design is very simple, lean and functional, and also sophisticated. As you may know, but I use MUJI's apron. Do you have some of the MUJI's kitchen gadget? So how was the vlog this time? I hope you enjoy the world of MUJI. I was so happy to stay in Ginza and also this MUJI Hotel. And thank you for always supporting and subscribing and like this video. Always feel free to write comments on the video. See you next time! また見てね！バイ！